Good morning from Brandon's Auto Repair and Diesel. I am going to be giving you a little shop tour this morning. So first things first, here is the front of the building. That big bay door down there is for the detail shop. We do have upfront parking here for our customers to drop off. We also do have all this parking across the street where we keep customers' vehicles when they're waiting to be worked on. We do have parking here, which are vehicles that are done and ready to be picked up or have just been dropped off by a tow truck. So, front of the building here, key drop box there by the front door, and let's go take a look inside. So this is our front entrance here, and our welcome door, our window, I should say. We have refreshment station there, coffee, water, and Michelle, a receptionist, hard at work, and with customer consent, he is here in the waiting room, and here is our customer waiting room. Magazines, TV, and refreshment station, and our Wi-Fi password. And then we go down this hallway just a touch. We have service rider number 1, Miss Shelby, and our Texas State Inspection Station. And then service rider number 2, or my office, manager slash HR slash everything, and our manager, his desk as well. This is also our war room. As you can see, our dispatch board, some bags there. This is where we have our morning meeting, why not meeting. Okay, and then just down this hallway we have 2 customer restrooms, kept neat and tidy for them at all times. And bathroom number 2, customer restrooms. And then we have a hallway here. We have Brandon's office. And then we have our calendar board here in this hallway, and this is where the receptionist keeps this up to date so we know what appointments are on the schedule for the week. And anything in purple is an oil change, so we know ahead of time and we can have the appropriate filters and things here ready when they arrive. And here we have service rider number 3, Miss Kathy, and her little workspace here. And then we have a little zigzag hallway here. We do have behind this door a shower, and that is in case of, you know, employees getting something spilt on them, something happens, they need a shower to clean up, we've got that available. So let's go through this door. We do have one more outside door there to get out to the front. And then this door here enters us into the detail shop. So full service detail shop, RO water, all the necessary special tools, equipment, buffers, sanders, hot water extractors, everything we need to do a full inside-outside detail. Then we have our board here where our manager keeps important numbers for all the employees to keep track of what they have going on. This is also where we do our meetings, employee meetings right here. We have a TV back there where we can hook up the laptop and pull up live information. So up these stairs, we have an employee break room. And air conditioned for the summertime, refrigerator, table. We've got usually some snacks, but some storage going on here, and some comfort for them to come relax and hang out during their lunch break if they would so desire. So back down the stairs, and that is a little bit of the back of the house with the detail shop, but that is mainly the front of the house. And I will get to the back of the house in the next video. Thank you.